Hello and welcome back to Talking Shop, a series where we talk about the latest news and updates on e-commerce and retail.
Today we'll be talking about Google's new privacy-focused changes for analytics, Tag Manager and enhanced conversions, footfall levels in the UK after indoor restrictions are eased, Facebook has introduced live shopping for business owners, and Google has tweaked some of its shopping tools.
Google has announced privacy-focused changes for its analytics, Tag Manager and enhanced conversions. Now, Google's VP of Engineering announced the changes during a Google Marketing live stream. They're extending their advanced machine learning capabilities to behavioral analytics reporting in Google Analytics to help fill gaps in the data left by privacy changes. Now, this will make it easier for websites in Europe and the UK to integrate with consent mode. Google also said that they would soon allow access to consent mode directly from Tag Manager accounts in order to modify and customize tag behavior in response to users' consent preferences.
So this is a great improvement for those managing their website's analytics, as they'll now be able to enhance their understanding of the customer journey across their apps and websites.
Yeah, also with Google actually allowing access to consent mode directly in the Tag Manager account, I think it will be kind of beneficial for stopping these tags from firing, obviously if the user hasn't given consent. So from a legal standpoint, for kind of like customers' data and privacy, this is quite an important step.
The BBC reported earlier that the latest easing of COVID restrictions isn't encouraging people back to the high street. A count was done on Monday the 17th of May, and they found that the number of people visiting shops was down 3% compared to the same time a week earlier. Comparing this count to the equivalent Monday in pre-pandemic May 2019, footfall overall was 28.4% lower. With pubs and restaurants now able to offer indoor dining and other venues such as cinemas allowed to reopen, you would expect this to encourage more people to get out.
So yeah, it seems like the relaxation of the rules isn't having as much of an impact on retail and leisure as we first thought.
Yeah, I don't think the heavy rain over the last few weeks has particularly helped, especially on the first day of indoor hospitality reopening. Kind of put a bit of a dampener on things, didn't it? They also kind of said that figures are showing that retail parks have been hit the hardest, with visitor numbers falling 5.4% week on week and shopping centres falling 3.4%.
Yeah, also people may be tentative to get back to the high street as they're pretty much used to shopping online now. So Facebook has been working on ways to support businesses over the past year, with Facebook Shops launching in 2020, and now your customers can shop with you through Facebook Live. Many businesses have been using Facebook Live to showcase their products for a number of years now, but business owners now have the ability to sell those products directly to viewers all in real time. Now, this is a highly interactive way of promoting your products, answering questions and responding to viewers' reactions. Now, to do this, you'll need to enable live shopping and select the products you're talking about from the shop.
So yeah, this is yet another way business owners can generate sales for their online shops, and it's such a fun and interactive way to do so.
Yeah, definitely. So I would recommend this to anyone that regularly uses Facebook Live. As it's going to engage your audience and your customers, and it's going to reduce that friction from them actually purchasing the product. So it's a great way, and you should definitely use it.
Google I/O took place earlier this month with some new exciting updates. In the effort to make it easier to buy things online, Google has tweaked some of its shopping tools. Users can use Google Lens to search images and screenshots taken on phones, but more exciting is Google's shopping update. Products that are added to carts across the internet and forgotten about are going to be a thing of the past. Now, when you open up a new tab in Chrome, Google will show users all the pending purchases they have sitting in their shopping carts.
This is a fantastic update from Google that's going to make easy work of abandoned carts for shop owners. And that's it for this episode's news. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe for more e-commerce news, and we'll see you next time.